for those busty girls out there who only have that one black bra that never leaves their body, we know you. We've been you. Well, if you didn't already know, bras are expensive. And the bigger the bra, the more expensive it is. So of course, you would want your bras to look newer for longer. So how do we go about that? Here are 5 tips, courtesy of Double D's, to keep your bras looking newer for longer. Tip number 1. When you're buying your bra, be it online or you've visited a retail store that sells bras, please ensure that you buy your bra in the right size. So this whole sizing thing, we've already put up a video for you on how to properly determine your bra size with all the calculations and the measurements. Start there, so that at least by the time you're going to a store, you at least know what size you will fall under. Don't be fooled by crooks out here. People just want to push product, so they're not concerned whether you're in the right size or not. So ensure that the cup fits well, you have no spillage, there's no space between your cups. 2, that your band fits correctly, it's not riding up, and you can slide in 2 fingers underneath the band while the bra is worn on the outermost hook. And 3, that the straps of the bra don't keep falling off, slipping off your shoulder, and that they're just comfortable enough and not digging inside your shoulder. Just those 3 things, you need to remember that, and you're good to go while you're shopping for bras. Because a bra that's not in the right size is just garbage. Chuck it, throw it out, dump it. So, in relation to tip number 1 is tip number 2. When you buy a bra from a store or online, ensure that by the time you're going home with that bra, you fit it on the outermost hook. So the other 2 hooks, sometimes they can be 3 hooks or 4 hooks that are placed on the bra, are not there just for the sake of it. They serve a purpose. As the bra loses elasticity, especially the band of the bra, that's when you're supposed to move into the middle hook and then the innermost hook. That should take about 1 to 1.5 years, depending on how well you're caring for your bra. So don't be fooled by vendors who want to sell you bras and force you to wear it on the middle hook or the innermost hook, and then they insist that that bra is in your right size. No, hun, that bra isn't in your right size. You need to size down at least on the band size. So tip number 3, invest in at least 3 bras. Now, I know they're expensive. You don't have to buy them all, in the same time frame when you go to the store, but at least you can space it out at least once a month. Just buy 1 bra until you have about 3 to 4 good pieces. 3 pieces minimum. So the reason I insist on 3 pieces is because you don't want to wear your bra every single day you're in the same bra, because the more you wear it, the more it's going to wear out. It's just simple as that. So if you have about 3 good bras, it means that you're wearing your each bra at least once a week, because we recommend that if you wear your bra today, skip 1 day, wear it 1 more time, and then wash the bra. So the day you're not wearing the bra, ensure you're air drying it. Unless you've been traversing through the desert or had a crazy day running errands, we don't necessarily recommend that you wash your bra after every wear. And some people will be like, really? Did you just say that? Yes, we did just say that. Panties, kila siku, but the bra, every alternate wear. And don't wear your bra today, wear it tomorrow, and then wash it. Again, I repeat, alternate wear. So that's tip number 3. And for those busty girls out there who only have that one black bra that never leaves their body, we know you. We've been you. And we're telling you that is no way to live, sis, because you're putting that bra under great duress. And the rest of the people around you, you're even putting them under greater duress because they can smell you. Tip number 4 is on how to properly wear your bra. So we put up a video on how to properly wear your bra on our IGTV, and I'll just do a small snippet right here at the top corner. And the Insta fam went crazy. They were happy, they were excited, they were like, thank you for changing our lives, yada yada, and we're excited, until we put up the video on Facebook, and the ladies on Facebook were just like, oh my god, this is nonsense, we will not do this, no, and they were up in arms. And I just thought, guys, the reason why we recommend that you avoid the shosho way of wearing your bra, where you clasp it from the front and then you twist and turn, is that your underwire will pop out faster compared to a person who wears it the Double D's way of clasping your hooks from the back and then slipping your hands inside the shoulder straps and hoisting the straps up to your shoulders. So we recommend that you wear your bra the proper way. Don't fall into this craziness of, guys, we're not gonna do this because she said this. No. Save your bras. They're expensive. Forget that person who spends less money on their bras. They probably don't know the struggle. Or if they're not pasty and they don't know the struggle of even spending more money on their bras, right? So final tip number 5, is on caring for your bras. So this is on storage and how do you wash your bras. So we've done 2 extensive videos on how to store your bras and how to wash your bras. Again, check the channel. But just a quick recap. Hand wash your bras rather than machine wash. But if you decide to machine wash your bras, use a mesh laundry bag. 2, use lukewarm or cold water when you're hand washing your bras. Mild detergent, I mean something like sunlight powder or Kipande soap or baby shampoo. The thing is, if it's tough on stains, it's also tough on the color of your bra, so you don't want that in your life. When it comes to storage, ensure that you keep your hooks clasped at all times during storage, because you don't want to reach for a bra and then the hooks get clasped into the lace or any other sensitive fabric of your other underwear. Because like I said, sis, it's expensive and we don't want you to spend a lot of money. Well, you can spend, but not because of carelessness. Remember people, please, if you can, stay at home, keep safe. Until next time, signing out, Connie. Bye-bye.